Well, good morning, everybody. Meteorologist Travis Klineski here on this Friday morning. Rain showers over southeast Nebraska, and there's a little bit of minor flurries and sleet here in central Nebraska, but most of it is out towards the east here this morning. This particular forecast model is a little too far west. There's not much happening right here right now. Most of it is right in here, Hebron to Lincoln eastward. And that's where the best chance of moisture is going to be today, but maybe one final push of a little bit of light rain around the Hastings area, but most of it will be to the east and southeast. But watch what happens tonight. It's going to be a cold and raw day today. Watch as it gets colder tonight. Rain changing to snow, and there could be snow accumulation. Northeast Kansas into southeast Nebraska. We'll be talking Jewell and Republic County, Kansas. Thayer County eastward. Thayer, Saline. Maybe Fillmore County, we'll see. And then that starts to clear out. There's 4:30 tomorrow morning. Start to see the tail end of that as that clears out with clearing skies, cold temperatures tomorrow morning. We'll see mostly sunny day tomorrow, a breezy southwest wind, which will quickly warm things up. And then tomorrow night, a cold front. That's going to come through, bring a few extra clouds, a switch back to northerly winds, and cooler temperatures as we get into your Sunday. So snowfall mounts. Now, I'm kind of thinking 1 to 4 inches. I know this model's going higher than that. A few models are higher, but some are also lower than this. So I'm kind of thinking 1 to 4 inches over southeast Nebraska, maybe waking up to some snow on the ground tomorrow morning. And that might include Lincoln if you're heading to Memorial Stadium for the Husker game. Now itself, it's going to be a cool day in Lincoln for the game, but the snow will be gone before the game starts. But driving eastward, I see a lot of snow on the ground for parts of eastern Nebraska. We'll see. They're kind of on the edge of that snow there in the capital city area here. But I'm going to go with 1 to 3 inches of snowfall for southeast portions of Nebraska. It's going to be a cold day today. Highs only in the low to mid 40s, maybe upper 40s where the sun comes out. Chilly day, plus the north winds will be breezy today. Tonight, as the winds die down and the skies clear up, we drop into the 20s, maybe a few upper teens. Out east with the clouds sticking around, maybe some low 30s there. Highs tomorrow, though, nice recovery. Highs in the 60s, nearing 70 in southwest Nebraska. Cooler 50s out east because of the snow on the ground, and the clouds might linger a little longer. Could be a little cooler there in the upper 50s. And then tomorrow night, not as cold, mostly 30s and lower 40s for lows. Sunday, it'll cool down a little bit behind that cold front. Highs mostly in the 50s, near 60 down south. So a bit of a cool down for the second half of the weekend. So you kind of sum up the 3-day forecast right there. Don't forget your clocks. They'll set back an hour Saturday night. Looking ahead to Sunday and Monday, those are 2 cooler days in the mid to upper 50s. More clouds around, especially on Monday. And then we get a huge surge of warm air. A warm front lifts northward Monday night. So look at Monday night's low temperature down at 49. So that warm front lifting northward, a strong southerly wind warming us up into the low 70s, despite maybe a few clouds around, and a chance of rain and thunderstorms. So Tuesday could be quite interesting for election day. Wednesday, another warm one and strong south winds ahead of the next cold front that'll come through Wednesday night into Thursday. That'll bring us what looks to be a pretty decent chance of rain right now. Wednesday into Thursday, it also brings us some much colder air on Thursday, back down into the 40s, and it might get colder yet beyond Thursday. We could see highs near 40 on Friday and Saturday, and then back to the mid 40s on Sunday. So next weekend could be pretty chilly. So enjoy those warm days we do get to have there. I'm running a long time, but I think I do have enough time to at least show you what's going to happen. There's today. That moves out. There's the snow tonight. This model's not as aggressive. The European's not as aggressive with southeast Nebraska. Quiet. There's the front on Sunday night or Saturday night, Sunday cooler. And then look at that surge of warm air and moisture for Tuesday. And then quiet for Wednesday, still warm and windy. And then here comes the cold front bringing us that rain chance Wednesday night into Thursday. Not much snow, but maybe some Thursday, Friday. We'll see how that plays out. This is a long ways out yet, so we'll have to see how that plays out because that would be very interesting if that were to happen right there. Let's look at the GFS model to compare real quick. There's today. Rain mostly to the southeast, but then the snow tonight. Then clearing out quiet Saturday. Here comes the cold front Saturday night. Sunday, right there. Quiet weather, but a little cooler. Monday, same thing. And then it warms up. The surge of warm air Tuesday. Monday night into Tuesday. And then here comes the rain and thunderstorms Tuesday. Windy. Warm and windy again on Wednesday. Then here comes the cold front Wednesday night. Maybe mixing a little bit of snow there, but mostly rain here, and it'll be much colder for the end of next week here. That model's not as aggressive with the snow, so that'll be interesting to see how things play out with that system late next week. Hopefully some good moisture for our area. That's the big thing at this point here. I don't care about the cold air. I just would like to see some nice moisture. So, well, I have to go. I want to thank you all for watching on this Friday morning. Hope you all have a good one, and I will see you all again on Monday with all the latest in regards to next week. Have a good weekend. Talk to you all later. Bye.